Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it seems that gold is the gift that keeps on giving, going from strength to strength and hitting 3,700 and more importantly breaking that at the moment, having a confirmation break, because the last time that we did have a slight test we had a heavy rejection. But as you can see from the morning open after the weekend, we're having a nice bullish candlestick, well, a couple of bullish candlesticks now from the morning open, and no weekend gaps, no trouble over the weekend really. So it's really driven by the Fed's interest rate decision last week and also geopolitical tensions really rising at the moment. So, you know, if you look on the back end of last week, the dollar was having quite a good run, especially in the forex pairs, claiming some much needed territory over its competitors. But since as I said, the morning open, taking a little bit of a back step, and gold is moving a little bit more higher. So where do we see gold in the next few months? Well, a lot of economists and traders, like I've said before, are expecting that we will be seeing 4,000 being hit by the end of the year. It was out of the realm of possibility a few months ago because gold was trading a little bit lower towards 3,400, even lower than that, and it was quite a way off of the big target of 4,000. But now it's creeping higher. The only thing we're looking at now on the RSI and other stochastics is a bullish divergence, which could hamper price action. But how much longer? Because, you know, we're seeing a lot of trend followers jumping in on the trend, buyers attracting more buyers. So this is really the rhetoric at the moment. This is the sentiment surrounding gold as the most safe haven asset for quite a long time now. So like I said, let's just take a look on the dollar, because that was having a good run since we saw the Fed's interest rate decision. We saw this false spike bounce higher and the dollar moving a couple of dollars to the upside. But since then, as you can see from the Monday open, we're seeing a little bit of a back step, and prices are really in the overbought territory for the RSI as well, and as well as other oscillators. So we're just waiting to see if it's just for the Monday open. Are we going to see a little bit of a back step for gold? Are we looking for the metal market to have more of a correction, especially silver as well? That's doing very good, 14-year high at the moment. But can things turn around quite significantly? Yes, they can. We've got Fed Chair's Jerome Powell's testimony tomorrow. What will he bring? Will he bring any surprises? Will there be anything in the signal that says that they might not cut another 2 times before the end of the year? They did say last year 50 basis points is going to be wiped off in the next 2 meetings, but things can change, especially if there's a labor job market, if NFP numbers are not what they would be expected, and obviously if inflation creeps higher towards 4%, what will happen then? So obviously we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals to see if gold is going to slow down anytime soon, and also if we're going to have any kind of movement towards 4,000, as you can see here, steadily increasing to that particular target and in full voice as well. So thank you very much for joining me, and as usual we'll bring you all the latest in our technicals and fundamentals on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So until next time, have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.